out here with the Mavic Mini, the little Mini. I'm just waiting for some satellites. So all this cloud cover we've been having, it just takes them longer to come in. Okay, they're here. Let me start some video. Let me see. Wait a minute. Let me see what the settings are in the video. Yeah, 1080p is good enough. Brr. All right. Yay. Oh, this Mini is sure nice as hell, man. I'm telling you. Okay, I'm going to try one of these flight modes, so I'm going to stop the video here. I would like to see them make these dronies a little bit further. I would like to see them make them a little bit further. 120 feet. I mean, that's pretty lame. You know what I mean? That's pretty lame. Let's do a circle. The sun's right in my eye, so I'm having a little bit of trouble here. Okay, well, I aborted that because I just wasn't sure where that thing was going. Okay, so be like an orbit, but it seemed like it was going to drift out there pretty far. If I go up a little higher here. Okay, I went up high enough to where I won't hit into no tree or anything like that. I took it up to like 180 feet. So I just wasn't sure what the radius on that thing was going to be. I mean, I can see it right up there. I can see the Mini, but I just wasn't sure what the radius was going to be, and that's why I decided to take it up some. So okay. I went up, was 187 feet. So that was okay. I kind of don't like the quick shots make you stop the video. I kind of don't like that. I think that's kind of bogus, to be honest with you. Trying to get a look. I still got 20 minutes on this battery. Man, this thing flies great, boys. I'm telling you. Wow. Man. Let me get out of the glare of the sun. Okay, this thing is easy as hell to hand catch, man. It comes down really easy, so yeah, great, good stuff, man, good stuff. Mavic Mini, it's a classic. I love it. All right, guys, I just wanted to try that quick flight. I'm not real happy with the little additional flight modes, you know. It is what it is, but I'm not real happy that you have to stop the video to do them. So All right, guys. I'll talk to you later.